You need permission to perform this action. So friends, if you are getting this error, how can you solve it? Let's see. So to solve this, first right click an affected folder. Then click Properties, then click the Security tab. Click the Advanced button, then click Change next to Owner. Then type your username, click the Check Names button, then click OK. Check Replace Owner on sub containers and objects under the owner's name. Then click OK again. If you get a message saying, do you want to replace the directory permissions with permissions granting you full control, click yes and you are done. Then click the edit button, click on your username for the list, then click full control underneath it. Then click OK, then click OK again. Use the system file checker tool to repair missing or corrupted system file using this link. I will give this link in description. This is a public user to support form. So that was it. I hope this video was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe.